Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. So, let's get started. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that operates independently from governments or banks. It's a form of money that you can actually hold in your hand, but it exists only on your hard drive. The value of cryptocurrency is determined by the number of people who believe in it and want to use it. Now, what about blockchain? It's the technology that underpins cryptocurrency and allows it to function seamlessly. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that records every single transaction made within a specific cryptocurrency. This ledger is distributed across thousands of computers worldwide, making it nearly impossible to hack or break down. So why is all this important? Cryptocurrency and blockchain have the power to change our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. It's revolutionizing the way we pay each other, conduct business transactions, and send money worldwide. These technologies are paving the way for a more efficient and secure financial landscape. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech trends and innovations. Until next time, stay curious.